Yeah. Windows down, bass up, city shining. Highlands Blue top. You already know what time it is. Summer waiting on me. I'm pulling up loud. Yeah.
Can't wait till summer, let the sunlight hit the chrome. Blue top 64, yeah, that classic rolling home. Cruising down the 101, speakers knocking heavy bass. Palm trees blur by while the wind kiss my face. Top down living, got the whole world in my sight. Daytime shine, turning in neon nights. West side ride, yeah, the mood stay official. Every mile of memory, every verse a missile.
Fresh paint dripping like the ocean at dawn. White wall spinning while the oldies play on. Steering wheel lean back, one hand on control, other hand tapping rhythm straight from my soul. City smell like asphalt, cooking in the heat. Every block got a story, every corner got a beat. Gold chain swinging while the skyline glow. Blue rag tie where the warm winds blow. Cops glance twice, but I'm riding legit. Just a summer dream wrapped in leather and grit. From the hills to the coast, let the speakers narrate. Life moving fast, but I'm cruising in fate.
Can't wait till summer, let the sunlight hit the chrome. Blue top 64, yeah, that classic rolling home. Cruising down on 101, speakers knocking heavy bass. Palm trees blur by while the wind kiss my face. Top down living, got the whole world in my sight. Daytime shine, turning to neon nights. West side ride, yeah, the mood stay official. Every mile of memory, every verse a missile.
Sunset melting off the hood like gold. Stories in the engine, every mile been told. Girls laughing loud while the city lights spark. Every red light turn into a block party start. From Venice waves to them Hollywood views. Radio spinning nothing but them West Coast grooves. I came from nothing but a dream in the pen. Now the whole damn highway feel like my friend. Summer nights thick with the smell of success. Concrete kingdom, but I move stressless. Rear view full of everything I outgrew. Wind carry whispers of the old me I knew.
And when the night falls slow, city lights start to glow. Music loud, hearts free. Nowhere else we gotta be. Just the road and the vibe, yeah, and the feeling we alive.
Neon signs flicker like a heartbeat race. Every verse hit harder when I feel that bass. I ain't chasing fame, I'm chasing that ride where the world feels small and the dreams feel wide. Homies in the back with the stories on repeat, laughing about the days we survived off defeat. Now it's champagne nights with the same day one. Still chasing that summer under Cali suns. No ceiling on life when the top stay low. Sky full of stars while the headlights glow. If freedom had a sound, it'd be ties on stone. And a West Coast anthem blasting through my phone.
Can't wait till summer, let the sunlight hit the chrome. Blue top 64, yeah, the classic rolling home. Cruising down on 101, speakers knocking heavy bass. Palm trees blur by while the wind kiss my face. Top down living, got the whole world in my sight. Daytime shine, turning to neon nights. West side ride, yeah, the mood stay official. Every mile of memory, every verse a missile.
Blue top summer, top down forever. West Coast dreams on 4 wheels.